guys, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. We are going to be doing something today that we have not done for a hot minute, and that is my hair. I'm trying to think of the last time I posted a hair video. I don't remember. We are going to be lightening my roots where the purple is, which is my natural color. So I'm going to be lightening my roots with this lightener. Got the Joico Blondelife Silverlight Lightener and then 20 volume. I have used the regular Blondelife. I used it back in the day in cosmetology school when I had like the split black and silver a long time ago. Up to 9 levels of lift, and then this one is supposed to lift more cool toned. Want to do where the purple is like a silvery color, but it's gonna be a lot of work getting there. On scalp, it is 1 scoop of lightener with 2 ounces of 10 or 20 volume. And this developer also says coconut oil developer. I don't remember it having coconut oil in it back in the day. And then it has off scalp instructions. I'm doing on scalp. Do not use heat. Shampoo afterwards. What process? Oh, process for up to 60 minutes or until desired lift is achieved. Cool deal. I did pop this little thingy off camera. So here's what the lightener looks like. I just breathed some of it in. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like ashes. Got my little mixing bowl here. I'm gonna mix it up and then go find my gloves. We're gonna be backwards today. 1 scoop. If I have to mix some more, I have to mix more. I actually really like the packaging on the developer for this. It's like a really tall, narrow bottle. Like, I feel like that's really good for storage. So I've been like mixing it. This is one of those times in my life where I wish I had a plastic whisk at home. I never mix with metal because the metal can react to the product and have a reaction. But this is what we've got here. It's like a charcoal gray color. I'm so excited to see how this lifts. For reference again, here's what we're lightening my roots in the front, which my hair is pretty dark, so all of this right here. Let me go grab some gloves and then we're gonna get started. Welcome to the voiceover part of the video. I tried a little bit to keep it directly off my scalp, but that didn't last long. I was just like trying to get this on. It was really easy to apply. I love the consistency of it and I like the color. I know that's weird, but like most lighteners are like blue, but I don't know, when you're putting it on, it's, I don't know, it's soothing. It's a vibe. I just wanted to talk for a second and say I'm sorry for not posting for so long. Life has been busy. I have also been having some computer problems, so that's not been the best thing in the whole world. My PC deleted some files, but luckily I still had them on my SD card. I just had to find it because I had 2. Because I take some with like pictures of my son for his month updates. And I had to find my SD card that had the other ones on there. So I have a bunch of videos to edit now. And I think I said something in this video about how this was back in like Super Bowl Sunday, if that tells you anything. Like, I promise I've been creating content, I just haven't had the time to sit down and edit it. It's been a lot. I'm glad I'm finally have this video up. I've had a few of you guys messaging me and asking me if I'm still making videos, and I really appreciate that. I just haven't had the time, and yeah. So I've got this one up, and I had to tone it twice after this, and spoiler alert, I'm having a time. Like, my hair is being like crazy. So I might have a couple of hair coloring videos coming out because I think I'm going to change it again pretty soon. I'm thinking about putting a poll on Instagram, but I'm not like sure. So if you want to vote in that, if I do post it, follow me on Insta. It's at Tana the Panda. I don't post a whole lot on there. I just be, I don't know, there. Anyway, thanks for my ramble. Thanks for listening to my rambling. Alright, I just got it applied and it said to wait 60 minutes or until a desired lift. So it's 4:22 at the moment. And it's Super Bowl Sunday, by the way. I don't have my glasses on, but 4:22. Okay, so I'll just do some check-ins here and there and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, it's 4:46 now and here's what we're looking at. Trying my best to keep it not on this. I meant to actually take my clips and like clip this part back, but you know, I'm touching up the dark today, so it's fine. Looks like it's lightening pretty well. I'm gonna go through and resaturate everything because it's starting to get kind of dry. So I'm gonna resaturate and then I'll check back in here in a little bit. Hi, I'm back. It is now 5:05 and I'm going to run the lightener down through the ends of my hair to especially lighten this side. So yeah, here's what it's looking like so far. Still a bit on the yellow side, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, it is now 5:22, so it's been an hour since I put this on. Here's what it's looking like. I know it's bothering me so bad, but luckily I'm touching up the dark. We're gonna ignore that, but here's what it's looking like. I'm really liking how this is processing. I think it looks really, really good. I'm nervous to see it when it's rinsed out, especially like over here. Hi, I'm back. Here is my hair. I do have a confession. I actually filmed the bleaching part of this. I look so crazy right now. Hold on. That didn't really help. I filmed the actual bleaching part of this when I did my roots the last time. So I filmed the actual bleaching part, and when I went to film the outro, I put all my stuff in my computer to edit. The outro was filmed on the SD card I couldn't find, so I couldn't find the outro. I just let my roots grow out again, and then I lightened them the same way I did the first time. I believe I left it on for an hour, and then I ran it through the ends of my hair, and I left it on for about 20 minutes. There's a lot of like craziness going on. I have some Joico color eraser I'm gonna mix up and throw on that, but for the actual roots, like, can I zoom in anymore? It's light. I feel like I did pretty well. The point of this video is not to judge the rest of my hair, it's only to judge the lightener. Ignore the stuff I have in the background. I'm working on doing some decorating down here. I was trying to frame it so you could see some of my stuff over there, but anyway. The lightener did really good. My scalp is normally, you guys have seen me lighten my roots. My scalp is normally on fire, and I normally have like red chemical burns all over my head. None of that. It lightened really good. There's still some yellow in it. I'm about to tone it. I'm about to do the Joico color eraser and take this out. Hopefully, if I can't, I'm gonna have to switch it up and do something different. We're just gonna see where this takes me. The toning will be a separate video. Sorry I haven't been making content as much lately, friends. I have been busy. I do kind of wish it toned it just a hair more. I can't tell. I'm looking at my viewfinder. On camera, it doesn't look that yellow, but in person, there is quite a bit of gold to it. God, my face is red. I get anxiety like filming. I get like camera shy, and I hope you all are having a great day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.